Warren Buffett invests in NIO stock and will explode soon. Is Warren Buffett investing in NIO stock, or is it a rumor? Does he believe that the company will explode soon? How the EV industry will change in the near future? Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss a well-known name, Warren Buffett. Rumors said that he is investing in NIO stock. Let us find out the truth of this fact. Stay with us till the end of the video. Warren Buffett is not investing in NIO, but in a competitive brand, BYD. But the rumors are that NIO and BYD are soon going to collaborate with each other to form a new model of the NIO brand. No one knows what the truth is, but reports are showing that there is a high potential that the two companies will collaborate with each other to start an era of cars. Warren Buffett was one of those persons who identified the potential of EVs in the market, but also made an early move to invest in one of these markets. I do not believe in investing in a highly volatile and new market, but this stock has a potential future. How? There are a few reasons. The most important of them is the growing craze of people in EV cars. The concern about environmental challenges is not a new thing. Also, who doesn't want to save their money? EV cars are both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Since it does not cause any pollution, it is environmentally friendly. And electricity is cheaper than any other fuel option, thus it is cost-effective as well. Apart from this, the world is moving toward building a new generation that will compose of next-generation materials. EV is new in the market and kind of cool and compatible, thus people are inclining more and more towards it. Earlier, the BYD was building only gas vehicles, but after collaborating with NIO, the company is planning to launch electric vehicles as well. Talking about NIO, it has already launched a few SUVs and a sedan car. Now, its new plan is to launch a mid-size sedan and a mini car. These things are going to be fulfilled only with the help of collaboration. The NIO can use a brand value of BYD to get into the market. Rumors have also stated that the two companies have entered into the final discussions to enter the NIO mass market brand. Thus, it is clear that soon both companies are going to launch their mass portfolio. The NIO is growing faster than any other company available today. It has sold nearly 10,000 cars in December 2021 alone. Now, the reports are showing that it will continue to grow for this time being. Recently, the company has invested a lot in public awareness and expanding the ecosystem, which helped the company to build a positive image among people. As a result of this, NIO now has a name in EV vehicles. BYD wants to use this brand image to explore itself and the company. Now it is planning to launch an electric vehicle that will have a battery capacity even more than NIO itself. So, their market is bound to grow more and more with increased competition. Next is, why did Warren Buffett choose to invest in these companies? Well, the best answer to this question is that Buffett believed in the management of these companies. NIO managed to grow its sales by 50% with the launch of its first ever SUV, ES6. After that, the company touched new heights. Its profits suddenly increased by 24%. Also, it made a new name in the list of EV companies. Though it is just a small company, it is known among one of the best companies for electric vehicle manufacturing. Also, it has recently built a new sedan electric vehicle that got a warm welcome from the people. Now, the company is planning to launch the company into a mass market, but it lacks the infrastructure and workforce. However, the collaboration with BYD might help with this movement. Warren Buffett's also passionate about the achievement goals of companies. They thrive in companies to grow more and more, making people like Warren Buffett invest in these new starts. Both companies are passionate about achieving their business goals. It does not matter if they have to collaborate with each other for higher interest, but no one knows whether it's true or not. This is spread just as a rumor. NIO and BYD are competitors of each other, but there are a lot of similarities too among them. Both companies are working hard and competing with each other to build a position in the global EV market. Both are based on China's setup. Thus, they both are trying to get the maximum coverage over the market of the country. Both companies are working extensively to get the attraction of people. For this, they have launched several services and offers. These companies are transitioning from hydrocarbons to renewable sources of energy. Companies are working flat out to revamp the overall production of cars and to distribute as much as possible among people. The goal has been set up to sell around 60,000 units per month by the company. If the company managed to achieve this goal, it would be a new beginning in the life of EV cars. It may seem impossible at this time, but if the company managed to achieve this goal, it would be counted as one of the most productive companies for EV making in the world. The most challenging thing at this time is to manage the competition from all over the world. How would it be if you have to do a job and the work should also be the best in the world? It's bound to leave you exhausted. The same thing's happening with these companies as of now. There's a tough competition going on between companies around the world. Also, two companies are going to tie a bond. These surely show a new path in the world of electric vehicles. NIO is on its way to launching a set of brand new versions. It is experimenting every day, and now it is going to launch the e-Genesis series. It will not help the company to gain control over the platform, but also build an image of the company. The expansion of the brand shows that it would be a good option for investing money. There's no chance in the near future that the market for electric vehicles is going down. When it comes to keeping the environment clean, the idea of an electric vehicle is bound to come. Looking at the opportunity offered by electric vehicles, many car manufacturing companies are moving toward this field. They have launched their separate models of electric cars. Number one in this field is Tesla. It was originally a hydrocarbon-based car manufacturing company, but it has recently launched a series of electric cars. However, getting success in the field of electric cars is not easy for established companies as well. They too face many challenges on the go. Having an established name in the car industry and launching a series of electric cars are two different things. Though it does help to some extent because they have an established audition, but people don't trust these companies at once. The electric car industry has now grown as an established field, and it will continue to grow in the years to come. People like Warren Buffett have felt this way earlier before anyone else and started investing in it. And it is still not too late. The industry is not fully developed yet, and it has a large potential in the coming years. It's a good option for investment in the short term as well as in the long term. So what are you waiting for? It is like a one-time opportunity that no one would like to waste. American companies have already an established name in the field of automobiles, but now it seems that China would not let it build a name in electric vehicles as well. Today, around 300 companies in China are working in the field of electric vehicles. NIO is one of the most established names in this series. Now, it's on us to sit back and watch who is going to win the battle. The maximum chances for China to win because it is more sound and technical things as compared to America. The technology that people are trying to build in Silicon Valley has already been built in China. The competition could lead to a boom in the stock market. This was all about this video. If you like the information, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to get the notification of the latest videos. Also, if you have anything on your mind, feel free to comment, and thanks for watching.